Hi there, Troy Thompson, Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota. A lot of people ask me, should they have rental reimbursement on their auto insurance policy? My answer to that is always yes. When you get into an accident, the last thing you want to do is shell out $200, $300, $400, $500 to rent a car while your car is being fixed. In the short term, you may think you're saving $20, $50 a year and you don't need rental reimbursement, but that's really not much money, and to have that extra peace of mind and have it come in when you need it makes all the difference. If you're looking for an insurance agency with the most Google reviews in the state of Minnesota, the best team, we're independent so we have the most companies, watch this video now.
Protecting your loved ones is everything. That's why you can't trust it to just anybody.
Ryan, how many Google reviews are we at?
We are at 502 5-star Google reviews, Troy.
You need a team dedicated to protecting you from threats of financial ruin. With over 500 5-star Google reviews and counting, we provide the most competitive home and auto insurance in the Twin Cities. We are an independent agency, which means you have options from over 20 carriers, which provide you the best rates and value. When protecting your family is on the line, leave it to Pinnacle Insurance of Minnesota.